YouTube, this is Brina Will. I know it's been a minute and I'm coming to you not with the cooking tutorial, but I'm gonna do a mukbang. So we are in Chicago, Illinois, well, Schaumburg, Illinois, and we had to drive to this my coworker Nosha. She suggested that we go to this. It's called Fisherman's Island. And it's in the hood. Deep hood, y'all. They had us. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to kill her when I get back to work. But if it tastes good, I'll kill her. I won't kill her. I'll smack her. That's what I'll do. All right. So I ordered, this is crab legs, shrimp, it's potatoes, corn. And in Chicago, y'all, they put broccoli in their little bowl. So we're going to see how this tastes. I'm going to pause it because, of course, I have to get my scissors to cut through these legs. So I'm going to pause it and then I'll come back. I am back. That's right. I had to get my scissors. Okay, so this is my first time ever trying crab legs. So they had the king ones and they had the snow. I got the small ones because I don't know. I've never had it before, but I'm gonna try it. Me and you, we finna try this. So I'm gonna try something I know first. Oh, and I guess this is cocktail sauce. Cocktail sauce. Oh, it's good. You sure you don't want one? And this is butter. They season. They already put seasoning on it. So I'm gonna taste it with you. We're gonna see, because that's all oh my God, it's so good. You're gonna just love it. Let me try the cocktail sauce. Okay, it's good. My honey in the background, he being so quiet while I do this film. He don't want to be on here eating with me, but he's supporting me in other ways. So now my hands are slippery. I can't even squeeze the butter. Okay. The shrimp was good. It tastes really fresh too. So we went into this place. It's called Fisherman, and I know that I'm a little crooked, but it's the way that the table and stuff is set up. So I have to be crooked. So I'm gonna actually do butter and cocktail sauce. It's okay. I don't know what kind of butter that is. The potato. It's really good. All right. Broccoli. Guess in Chicago, they force you to have your broccoli. Let's see. Just tastes like broccoli. We're on our way to Detroit. Anybody that know jazz? We are going to a concert. Norman Brown. Love him, love him, love him. So, he would be my future husband if he wasn't so short. He's a little one. But, okay. Fisherman's Island. Fisherman's Island, they all right. It's good. We were in the hood, y'all. I mean, for real, for real. All right. Let me wipe off from here. Let me see what we got here. It's my first time. Okay, so I break it, twist it, and pull it. And nothing came out, of course. This is so weird. I'm eating somebody's freaking leg, y'all. These scissors is like, girl, look. Okay, I need to, I'll just put it in the garbage. Is that what, should I do that, honey? Just throw it straight in the garbage? Okay. Let me try this. See, you gotta work for this. This is working. This work. These are little. I should have got those bigger ones. Then it probably would be easier for me. It's all right. I don't know, is that meat? I'm gonna be missing a lot of stuff. Cause I ain't finna be going too deep. I know I ain't gonna eat all these because I got a taste of a little bit fishy. And I think that somebody said it does taste fishy. But I can officially say I tried it. Dang. You know what? I need a hammer. That's what I need, a hammer. Smash this shit all up. It's gonna be a short one. I'm not getting that. Can y'all imagine that this thing was walking in the ocean and somebody went and took it? And now I'm eating them? I better shut up. That's gonna gross me out. Okay. A little too fishy for my taste. I'm gonna save it. My honey will eat it. I'm done. I'm done with the crab legs. It's too fishy. A little bit too fishy. It's good. Honey will eat those. I ain't eating that. Hopefully I don't run into no head on these shrimp. If you see a head, your girl is done. I cannot eat nothing with the head on it. Not a fish, not nothing. Them eyes is looking at you. But, okay, Nosha. It's all right. Them crab legs, though, a little bit too fishy. But at least I tried it. What is that? Get out of there. At least I tried it. And I can say I tried it. It's good. So good. But and you get corn. Let's try the corn. The corn is good, but I would have probably liked. I didn't tell them if I just ordered it. But if I go back again, I probably would tell them like spice it up a little, just a tiny bit. But it's okay except for them crab legs. This corn is good. I know I'm facing sideways, but You guys still see me, right? Look at my face. I need to clean off my face. But I ain't gonna do that because I'm eating. If y'all don't like it, click off. But I know it's been a minute since I did a cooking tutorial. I bought this new camera, y'all. Now I'm filming on my phone because I'm like, I'm sick of this. I gotta film with something. Bought this new camera. I cooked. I made some what was it? Oh, jerk. I made some jerk chicken with some beans and rice, or rice and beans, however they call it. And it was so good, y'all. And I did all that filming with that camera. And I go to upload it to YouTube. It's going to tell me, ain't no video on here. What? I filmed it. It was recording. I had the SD card in there. Where'd it go? Excuse me. So, I don't know. I was going to try with this one, but I'm like, okay, I can't have two fails. I got to upload something. Because people been asking, hey, we haven't seen you. So I got to upload something. So I'm uploading this mukbang. But when I come back with you guys, probably next week, either I'm going to figure out this dumb camera, or I'm going to send it back and I'm going to go into a brick and mortar and buy a camera instead of trying to order it online. That way I can figure it out, you know, work with the associate to help me figure out like what I need to do. So that's what I need. Don't just send me no box. And I can read, but for some reason I don't see the part where it says if I'm taking a video, it should just be saving the video. Apparently, no, it don't save it. But I don't see where I have to hit save. It's just way too difficult. And it's going back to the store. And I'm going to, well, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it one more time, but maybe film Malik or Amina or somebody, just film them and see if I can upload it. And if it tell me there's nothing on here, that stuff going back. I'm not even dealing with it. I could use some of B Love's Life butter right about now. So good. So good. So good. I'm about done. Man. One more potato, then I'm gonna quit. I'm so bad at these mukbangs. I guess you gotta eat a lot of food, but I don't eat a lot of food. So I'm just gonna upload what I got. All of it. All of it. No editing, nothing, just upload it. Okay, maybe one more. One more potato, then I'm shutting her down. Ooh. Oh, and the potatoes could have been cooked a little less. Yeah. Oh Lord, I need some water on these hands. All right, guys. I'm gonna shut her down so my honey can talk. And I will be back maybe next week, or I'm gonna try to do it next week. I'm gonna figure out that stupid camera, and I'm gonna try to either get rid of that and get another one, but I'm gonna be, or come back with you with my phone. But either way, I will be back with you. I don't know what's on the menu yet, but I will let you guys know. And you guys have a blessed night. Ciao.